So I went to Gaisano Country Mall and I saw this Demon Slayer. I don't know the names of this. It's very nice. It's cheaper here. So many Demon Slayer here. I don't know what the name is. Okay, la 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 la. So many stuffed toys. There's a lot of capybara. There's a capybara here. Where is that? Where is that capybara? Here. It's only 100. And also